Hi, good morning. So today I'm gonna introduce to you my new plumbing method. So before that, shout out to my classmate Attorney Lagumbay. He was also requesting me to speak English in my video. So your wish is granted, classmate. So let's go. So if you are interested to this plumbing method, don't forget to click the subscription button in order you will be notified for the tutorial video on this, the update. So we'll wait if the water will reach at the surface skimmer. So as you can see, the dirt already sucked at the bottom. At the bottom. So this is 3,000 liter per hour aqua speed. Okay, the water is already reached at the surface skimmer. So this is the full return, 100% return water going to sump filter. So as you observe, the water very noisy. So I have put something to extend this pipe. This female threaded. Okay. So far, so good. But the surface skimmer is also very noisy. So we find way. We have to make it silent. So I have to find something here. We will try this hose. If this shut out, this this is working, so we will try this if this is working. Oh, it's working. So this is the purpose of this flexible hose is to break the siphon. So as you can see, as you observe, so minimize already the noise. This is floating pellets. So this is floating pellets. So I have to crush it to make this floating pellets sink. So I will try if the bottom will suck the dirt. So I have to crush this. I hope this is working. Okay, as you can see, the dirt. So it's working. How about the top? So we will try to stop the pump if there is flooding happen. So before that, if you are interested of this plumbing method, don't forget to click the subscription button. In order, you will be notified for the tutorial video update. So very effective. Now I'm gonna stop the pump. We will remove this to see if the water will stop. So there is no flooding. Very effective. If you are interested, click the subscription button. In order, you will be notified for the tutorial video on this method. So thank you for watching.